generation. I remember way back, you ain't have no swag. You did a little research, now you got a moon bag. Now you got a new walk, now you got new swag. You did a little research, now you got a moon bag. Well, let me show you what the moon bag's like. You take them gains when it gets that high. I mean, the market may dip for a little bit, that's when I hurry up and buy. Me, I just wanna rub them thighs. I like my oatmeal chunky, banana nuts all in it. Shit, you're talking about the blockchain monkeys. It's a solo nation.
What is going on, trading monkeys? Eagle here, and I want to thank you for coming to my jungle. First of all, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I professional in blockchain technology, but there is one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give my opinion. So today, we are coming in hot with Xdc Xinfin network, and as you have seen the past few weeks, this baby has been pumping, but I believe she is just getting started. You know what? Before we can even get to it, I'm going to need you to rub them hands together real vigorously and slide down Twitter. Coming in hot from XinFin it says, do y'all remember when the XDC partnership happened with Trade Trust? Trade Trust is partnered with the ICC, and Trade Trust is also partnered with SWIFT. Like, are you seeing the integrations here? Coming in hot from Andrew Wilson, ICC Global Policy Director, had said, the completion of the standard model API for guarantees and standby letters of credit is a great step forward towards interoperability and digitization of trade finance. The cooperation with SWIFT is essential to reach this point, and we are confident it will lead to further development of the trade finance services after the successful implementation phase. What are they building, ladies and gentlemen? And then you have here, coming in hot from a tool, it says, here, just a few more use cases, ladies and gentlemen, the potential utility here, okay? It says, here's a guide for all major corporates, shipping companies, banks, and other liquidity providers who want to go Mletr compliant. And then they have listed here, XDC Trade Network integration with IMDA SG Trade Trust. Which brings me to this point here. This is coming in hot from the Global Trade Review. XDC partnered with Singapore's IMDA launches network to finance Mletr compliant digital trade. If you slide on down here real quick, just for those who are new and may not know what Mletr stands for, Model Law on Electronic Trade Records, Compliant Digital Trade Documents. And we have here, the new initiative, XDC Trade Network, is being headed by Sunil Senapati, who joined XDC as Chief Operating Officer for Trade and Payments in September last year. Set up a special purpose entity, XDC Trade Network is a suite of decentralized applications built on the XDC platform. Now, this enables users to use digitally signed, verifiable trade documents, such as electronic bills of lading, according to the requirements of the Mletr. And then we have this, ladies and gentlemen, the Electronic Trade Documents Act, from paper to data. On July 20th, 2023, the long-awaited Electronic Trade Documents Act of 2023 received royal assent. It will come into effect in the UK on September 20th, 2023. And so another key point right here, it says prior to the act, under English law, it was not possible to possess electronic trade documents, and therefore key English law principles in relation to documentary intangibles, such as bills of exchange, could not be applied to electronic forms of those documents. And so heading on over to CoinMarketCap, sitting at 1.05 trillion. If you slide on down here, you'll see Bitcoin sitting at 25,994. So a slight uptrend, but not too much. But if you slide on down here to number 45, we got XDC sitting at 0.05 cents, down 0.31% on the day. I mean, you talk about a beauty, especially everything that they have going on, all the partnerships they have happening, all the integrations that they got going on, especially with the Mletr. Okay, looking at their chart here, looks like they're in a slight downtrend, but we shall see where it goes. But ladies and gentlemen, you're talking about a possible gem here. Not a financial advisor whatsoever, but as you can see, we're on the 4 hour. And so ladies and gentlemen, you can see over here, I got a floor of 0.05208, but I'm just as happy as where the price is at now. For me, it's looking like an opportunity, not financial advice whatsoever, but especially seeing where it had come from. What was that, August 3rd when it had that pump? Sitting at 9 cents, you're talking about it absolutely amazing. And then on top of that, you got the Mletr coming into effect. I believe that was what, September 20th. And also, you got to also look at Bitcoin to see what she does. Okay. Hope you got enough. Holla at your boy. See you on the moon.
cause it's the standard in this bitch. XRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying by the swift, keep it walking. Respect your elders in these bushes. Bitcoin is talking.
You don't have to be rich to be taking advantage of this. This was the beginning of the greatest transformation of wealth the world has ever fucking seen since World War II.
Blockchain, blockchain. We talking about an intellectual choo-choo train. It's DLT up in these streets, man. That's why we rip all on that blockchain. Blockchain.